Are you facing the same problems, views not available on your WhatsApp status? Then I will tell you how you can solve this problem. So for that, if you upload status on your WhatsApp, but now when you want to check who viewed your WhatsApp status, then this you can see this is a problem, views not available. Now you can solve this problem. For that, just go back and click on your, and at the top right side you can see there are three dots. Just click on these three dots and go to settings. In settings, click on this privacy. Now here you can see this read receipts. You have to turn on this. When you turn on this, again now I will go back and check my status. Again click on my status and check. Here you can see now zero viewed, but now the problem has been solved. Before this it's showing me views not available, but now it's showing me viewed by zero because I just turned on that option. And now my fans or anyone that will see my status, it will be shown here at this position. But now the problem has been solved, so you have to turn on that option in order to view the status, or in order to view who wide or who see your status.